So I hope you can hear me, you can watch me. And um my camera is getting blur, and that's it. And I'm just going to what is called I'm just going to clean my bed. I just wake up, so I wanna clean my bed. I'm living in a tiny room, so that's why you are seeing that this is so tiny, and I'm I'm standing like I can't. Oh shit. But even though I'm not so tall, but I can't. So but I can stand like, oh shit, man. I don't know what I'm saying, and because without any pre-plan, I'm making this video again. Here is feeling some winter vibe. So that's why I used my blanket, and now I'm keeping the blanket in proper way. So that's it. It's me, Mr. Walker. Mr. Walker is so a lazy guy. You can see that Mr. Walker is a lazy guy. Hmm. I'm still flip. Sorry, I'm still feeling sleepy. I wanna say that I wanna sleep like, like lazy boy. Today I wanna go. I forgot Bruno Mars that song, the lazy song. I forgot. Mm. This is my tiny room. I'm so lazy boy. You're seeing me as a lazy boy, as a lazy guy. Still, I'm so lazy. Oh shit, man. Okay, by the way, I wanna say one thing that I wanna fresh myself. This is my second video. First day. Today is 28 November. Is it called November? November. I don't know. I'm not sure because English is not my other language. Again, I'm saying I will say this word so many times in future. That's it.